I, Andrew Michael Holness, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Jamaica, that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and the laws of Jamaica.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness takes the oath of office to serve for a second time. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, calls for the government and opposition to unite to move Jamaica forward.
PNP MP assesses where his party went wrong in last Thursday's general election.
And in the business day, financier calls on government to restore full 10-year tax holiday to junior market companies.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
What are some of the things Andrew Holness should do that would make him a successful Prime Minister?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and send us your tweets to @TelevisionJam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.